In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create reusable brand assets in Adobe Express and apply it to any design quickly. So let's get started. Alright, I'm inside Adobe Express. You need to click on Brands from the left sidebar. Then click on Create New Brand. You can give it a name, click on Create. Now you can add your assets by clicking on this Add button. First, I'm gonna add a logo. I'll upload my horizontal logo. Then click on this plus button and select my vertical logo. That's it for the logos. Next, I'll go to the Colors tab, Add Colors, and I'm gonna add a color palette. You can give it a name, click on the plus button, click on Custom, and I'm gonna copy paste my color code here. I'll add 2 more colors, and you'll just have to add yours the same way. Once done, click on Add, and there it is. Next, you can either click on this Add button and go to your specific category, or simply click on the tab from here. I'm gonna add a font, and you can see plenty of them in the list. I'll use the search bar and add this font for the demonstration. You can upload more fonts if you want. Then click on these 3 dots, and you can set it as a body font or header. Next is the templates. These are my previous projects. You can simply click on one, give it a name. You can assign it to a specific brand if you have more than one. Then save it as a template to reuse it. Now you can simply click on your required template and start a new file based on this initial design. Next we have assets. You can upload a JPG, SVG, PSD and other file formats. I'll upload a background image. Alright, click on Overview and you can see all the brand assets that we added. You can click on this plus button to add more items and manage them as you want. Alright, let's click on the Explore tab and find some design to apply your brand assets. I'll select this one, Customize Template. It's gonna create a new file. Now to access my brand theme colors, I can click on Theme and you can see my brand colors at the top. Click on it and it will automatically apply it to the design. You can also shuffle colors to see different variations of the color palette. I like this one. Next, I want to put my logo. I'll delete the text, select this logo, click on this Replace button, go to Brands, and select my horizontal logo. It doesn't fit this square box, so I'll double click on it and increase the crop area to make it visible. You can click on the Brands tab and see all the assets that you can apply from here. So that's it guys, try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.